Hello, welcome to my YouTube. My name is Dr. Patty Ford, and I just wanted to ask if you have ever been sold detox products or things that promise instant results to clear your body of inflammation or detox, and how confusing that can be because you're supposed to be taking this thing to feel better and you never do, or you feel better for a little while until you need the product or you become dependent upon the product. And so part of my philosophy when I work with people is we really want to focus on food and lifestyle and behaviors first, which takes time. It takes 3 months, 6 months to kind of see the effects of everyday work and how it shows up in your life, and are in a society that's really focused on quick fixes and things that are instant. That's really, really hard in health. And so if you're someone that tends to lean towards, I want a supplement, or I want a patch, or I want a pill, or not that those things are bad, what I would love to pair it with is, what are you thinking? What are you feeling? What's your intent behind this? And then using biohacking with the internal introspection, let it work together. And sometimes the introspection or being aware of what you're thinking or what you're feeling, it's really hard. It's really hard because it's painful and you just don't have capacity in your life. And I get that. And I want to work with the people that maybe do have the capacity or do have the time, do have the interest, because when you can change the inner world, the outer world will become a very natural byproduct. You won't need as much biohacking. But sometimes biohacking is really fun and it can be fun to play with. But that's typically when you have all of the other things dialed in, when biohacking works exceptionally well. Hope this helps.